Learn and grow on the Spotty Dotty Show. Want to learn how to do the cartwheel? Let me show you how. Follow some simple steps. First, make sure that you have a nice strong core. You don't want to be all like this, otherwise it's not going to work. Second, put one foot in front of the other. Third, bring both arms up right next to your ears. Fourth, I want you to think about staying in a straight line and bringing one hand, the other, then a foot, and then the other. Hand, hand, foot, foot. Swing your body forward. Keep your legs straight and your feet pointed. Swing and go. Fifth, you end up the same way that you started on the opposite side. At first, you may not do a perfect cartwheel. Your legs may not be straight. You may not be in a line. But I have a few simple tips that will help you get there. Try using 4 socks, putting them in a line right next to each other. This will help you stay in a straight line and will help you place your hands and feet right on top of them, just for practice. You can use socks or a piece of paper, whatever works for you. As you go, place one hand on the first sock, then the other hand on the second sock, then one foot in the third sock, and then the other foot on the fourth sock. There you go. You stayed in line. Keep doing this. Keep doing this over and over again. It may look a little sloppy in the beginning, and that's okay. You may be stronger on one side versus the other, and that's okay too. Practice, that's the important part. Use some of these tips I gave you, and have fun. Stay tuned for another how-to with me. Every Saturday morning, I'll be posting a new video. See you then! Please like and subscribe and stay creative.